You're lifting a car off someone. You're outrunning a threat. You're catching a falling child before they hit the ground. In that split second, you do something your body was never supposed to do. You become superhuman. But it's not a superpower. It's chemistry.
Today, we're breaking down how a single molecule can temporarily rewrite your physical limits, why your brain hits a chemical panic button, and the hidden biological price tag you pay the moment the danger passes. Let's dive in.
Meet adrenaline, or epinephrine. It's stored in your adrenal glands, sitting right on top of your kidneys. The millisecond your amygdala senses danger, it sends a distress signal to your hypothalamus. Your brain flips a switch. Suddenly, your sympathetic nervous system takes over.
So, you must be wondering, what is amygdala? Amygdala is a small almond-shaped structure inside your brain. It's the brain's primary threat detection center. It's part of a larger network in your brain called the limbic system. When it comes to our survival, your amygdala and limbic system extremely important. These are the parts of your brain that automatically detects danger. It constantly scans your environment and instantly signals the body to release stress hormones like adrenaline at the first sign of danger. And that is when your sympathetic nervous system takes over. Blood redirects from your digestive system straight to your muscles. Your pupils widen to take in more light. Your breathing quickens. Your liver dumps stored glucose into your bloodstream. It's not just a rush, it's a full system override. Your body stops prioritizing long-term maintenance and switches entirely to immediate survival.
But adrenaline doesn't magically grow muscle, it unlocks it. Under normal conditions, your brain controls your muscle output. It's called the central governor, a neural safety limit that prevents you from tearing tendons or breaking bones during everyday movement. Adrenaline temporarily disables that governor.
So basically, adrenaline triggers the fight-or-flight response to prime your body for immediate physical action. The primary things adrenaline does include boost energy by triggering the liver to rapidly convert glycogen into glucose, flooding the muscles with the extra fuel needed to run or fight. Adrenaline increases cardiovascular output to force your heart to beat faster and harder, elevating blood pressure to quickly pump oxygen and fuel to major muscle groups. Adrenaline opens airways by dilating the bronchioles in your lungs, allowing for faster, deeper breathing to maximize oxygen intake. Adrenaline redirects blood flow by shunting blood away from non-essential areas like the skin and digestive system and toward the core muscles and brain.
Moreover, it sharpens sense by dilating the pupils to let in more light and improve vision. It also triggers your brain to become hyper-alert, heightening your awareness to surrounding movements and sounds. Adrenaline seals memories by acting as a chemical screenshot, locking the terrifying situation into your memory so your brain can recognize and respond to the same threat in the future. Additionally, it can temporarily suppress the body's pain receptors, allowing you to endure physical stress or injury to survive the threat.
You're not actually stronger. You're just accessing 100% of your physical capacity minus the safety limits. Your body is borrowing from tomorrow to survive today.
And those limits exist for a reason. People who experience hysterical strength often wake up with torn muscles, bruised joints, or even fractures. Adrenaline also spikes your heart rate and blood pressure, which is why extreme dumps can trigger arrhythmias or cardiac strain.
Bye-bye.
Once the threat passes, your parasympathetic nervous system kicks in. Cortisol rises to manage the cellular aftermath. Your muscles tremble from depleted energy stores and lactic acid. The shaking, the exhaustion, the emotional crash, that's not weakness. It's your biology settling the bill. You were never meant to run on emergency mode. Chronic stress keeps the system half-triggered, which slowly wears down your heart, immune system, and nervous system. Your body thrives on balance, not survival spikes. So next time you hear a story about someone doing the impossible under pressure, remember, it's not magic. It's an ancient, brilliantly engineered override system. Respect it, protect your baseline, and save the surge for when it's actually needed.
If this changed how you think about your own limits, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Have you ever experienced a moment where adrenaline took over? What happened? See you again in a medicine decoding video in Dr. K Talks. Until then, train smart, trust your biology, and I'll see you in the next one.